So here we have the RYOBI CSD41 4-volt lithium drill. The charging light is just there and the charger goes into there. The charger is quite hard to replace, but we have it here at AC Adaptors R Us. This is the one, and it comes with a polarity reversing wire which is pushed on, and it also comes with a final extension which terminates at the correct size plug here. So we can show you that our AC adapter here, once it's plugged in, the light will come on there, and once this end is pushed into the drill like that, the red light, the charging light, will illuminate to show you that the drill is charging. This video proves that our replacement charger works perfectly fine with the RYOBI CSD41. If you want one, these are our details. You can call us on 0116 212 2754. We're also found on eBay, Amazon and our own website. Thank you for watching.